This is Victoria Wynn, and I thought while I'm talking to you about the last day of the $50 sale on all the courses, and I realize that could mean over $500 off on courses, but it's my pay it forward. It is my pay it forward. Support those that are at home. You can take the online courses and do them with your kids or your partner. Right here I'm working with some Luxe water effects. This background is an acrylic Floetrol mixture. It's completely dry. It's been curing for like a week or so. And now I'm just starting to layer it and create what's gonna look like a real ocean. So anyways, this is the last day. The $50, it at least covers my fees, my video hosting fees, the licensing fees for my educational software. So it's time to load up. These courses can take you months to go through. You will have a whole lot of things to practice, and I'll walk around the studio a little bit. This wet shine is also the Luxe water effects. And then this is a rose gold powder. This is called Peach Mimosa Crushed Mirror. And these are real garnets. So these products are sold on wynnmodernart.com. Anyways, I just also want to send out love and just compassion for all of you. Gosh, what crazy times here in Utah. We also had an earthquake, and the earthquake is what actually really threw me off because I'm from California and I don't have great memories of earthquakes. So anyways, so this is that wet shine, that's the Luxe water effects. This is rose gold powder. And then this color shifting powder, that's called opal powder that you see throughout here. And this piece is in the Luxe Gifts course. A great course to start with is the Level 1 Luxe Masterclass, and then also the Luxe Gifts course. There's just no prerequisites for that course. Like, jump into it. It is super fun. Anyways, I'm just walking around my gallery here, just showing you some of the fun stuff. So many of you have signed up for the courses already. This was a 2-day pay it forward promotion, and I'm so excited to get to know you, because I always encourage students to send me or tag me in like their art and their creations and their journey with this. So in this piece is our color naming contest color. It's like a deep, almost like a chocolatey brown bronze. Anyways, here we have emerald powder, rose gold powder, and here, I'll just look at you guys for a second. So thank you for joining my courses. I want to hear how you're having some self-love time, some downtime, and how you're perhaps bonding with your family over through art. I find art to be so meditative and peaceful, and my courses talk a lot about that as well. How to work through stress and how to build your confidence through art and in these courses. I love you guys. wynnmodernart.com for the courses.